I always say I hate doing this alone, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. It's time for the Intense 5. Trump really held nothing back on his thoughts on Omarosa. He even called her a dog. Whoa. What is going on between Bounty and Alkaline? Bounty posted a DM on social media that was apparently sent by the man himself, and the words weren't pretty at all. Plus, Bounty also lashed out on Movado. Ah boy. Why Riri trying to hot up people's head with that picture with Danny Glover? Of course, rumors have started, but we think they're just shooting a movie. Cuba, Havana. Bolt is off to Australia for football training. His posts on Instagram were all mushy. Casey got him a cake, the A-team got him a cake, parents were seeing him off. It was really sweet. Have fun, you saying, train hard, and as usual, continue making us proud to the world. And finally holding the spot this week, the Queen of Soul, the only woman to ever be inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the great Aretha Franklin has died. Sad day in music, but her songs live on. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at TVJ Intense.